morning, Grade 2. In today's spelling lesson, we're going to do a spelling test. We're going to see what words you know already and which ones we can work on some more during this term. So, can you get yourself ready? Grab yourself a piece of paper or the book that your teacher gave you if you're in school. And can you write the number 1, 2, 3, all the way down to 31. I'm going to test you on 31 spelling words today. Pause the video so that you have time to write all of your numbers and press play when you're ready. Good. Now you should have the numbers 1 to 31. Let's get started. Now remember, try your best. You must do this independently. That means by yourself. Think about sounding out the word if you're not sure. And if you're not sure, just have a good guess. Pause the video so you have more time after each word. Okay, are you ready? Number 1. Spell catch. I catch the ball. Number 2. Pause if you need more time. Spell whisper. I whisper to my friend. Number 3. Watch. I like to watch football. Okay, just spell the word, not the sentence. Number 4, your word is knock. There was a knock at the door. Spell knock. Number 5, spell wrist. I have an itch on my wrist. Spell wrist. Number 6, quick. I run quick to the classroom. Spell quick. Number 7. Remember, pause if you need more time. Your spelling word is cinema. I love the cinema. Number 8. Spell place. Uptown is my favourite place. Number 9. Spell giant. There was a giant standing in my garden. Number 10. Spell choice. It's your choice what challenge you choose. Choice. Number 11. Enjoy. Enjoy your dinner. Spell enjoy. Now I know these are tricky words, but you're doing such a good job. Number 12. Sauce. I put sauce on my dinner. Spell sauce. Number 13. Reason. What's the reason you're wearing your shoes on the wrong feet? Spell reason. Number 14. Spell bread. I have 2 slices of bread to make a sandwich. Bread. Number 15. Earth. Planet Earth is beautiful. Spell Earth. Number 16. Your spelling word is straight. I went straight to the canteen at lunchtime. Spell straight. Number 17. Lives. A cat has 9 lives. Spell lives. Number 18. Pianos. There are 6 pianos in the music room. Pianos. Number 19. Birthdays. I wish I had more birthdays. Spell birthdays. Number 20. Babies. There are lots of babies at the nursery. Spell babies. Number 21. Your word is gently. I gently stroke my kitten. Spell the word gently. Number 22. Angrily. I angrily stomp into the classroom. Number 23. Winner. I am the winner of the house competition. Number 24. Happier. I'd be happier if we had a longer weekend. Spell happier. Number 25. Luckiest. I am the luckiest girl in the world. Spell luckiest. Number 26. Dancing. I like dancing. Number 27. Digging. My dog is digging for a bone. Digging. Number 28. My favourite food. Fries. Can I have fries with that? Spell fries. We're almost there, guys. Number 29. Lied. He lied to me. Number 30. Danced. I danced all night long. And your last word is hugged. I hugged my mum good night. Hugged. Good job, everyone. 31 words in one spelling test is a huge job, and you did fantastically. Now, like I said, please don't worry if you found that tricky. There are lots and lots of tricky words there, and we're going to be learning some of the different spelling rules to see if we can improve our spellings. So hopefully, by the end of this term, you'll feel a lot more confident when we repeat this test. So, well done, everyone. What I would like you to do now is, let me show you. Now, we're not going to mark our answers because you've been focused for a long time, so your teacher will mark your answers for you, okay? So we're going to go straight to here. You do not need to write your score. I would like you to click on Add Response and upload a picture of your spelling test for your teacher to read. They're going to see which spelling rules you need some more help with. When you've done that, I would like you to go either onto Epic or onto Bug Club, and you can practice your reading fluency. That means how fluently you can read. So for example, if I found a sentence hard to read, I might have lots of stops in between. For example, I might read, if you have finished before the lesson is over, please practice your reading fluency on Epic or Bug Club. Now that one wasn't too fluent. The more you read, the better your reading fluency will be without any breaks in between each word. If you have finished before the lesson is over, please practice your reading fluency on Epic or Bug Club. That was better. I read lots more fluently there. See if you can practice your reading fluency now by choosing your favourite book. Well done, everyone!